Hey y'all, and welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. Today, we're tackling the entryway. It's the first thing you see when you walk through the door, and it sets the tone for your whole home. We're focusing on hidden storage solutions to keep things looking fresh and inviting. Stay tuned. Before we grab our hammers and nails, let's think about what we want to achieve with this entryway makeover. Consider the size of your entryway and your storage needs. Do you need a place for shoes, coats, bags, or pet supplies? Think about the overall aesthetic. Do you lean towards a modern farmhouse look or something more traditional? Use graph paper or a design app to sketch out your layout. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty and start building a bench with hidden storage. This project is perfect for those who love DIY and want to add a functional piece of furniture to their home. For this project, you'll need plywood or MDF, depending on your preference and budget. Both materials are sturdy and easy to work with. You'll also need hinges, screws, and a reliable drill. Make sure you have all your tools ready before you start. Other essential items include wood glue, sandpaper, and your choice of paint or stain to give the bench a polished look. Measure and cut your wood pieces carefully. Precision is key to ensuring all parts fit together seamlessly. Then, assemble the frame using wood glue and screws. This will form the sturdy base of your bench. Attach the lid with hinges, ensuring they can support the weight. This lid will serve as the access point to your hidden storage. Sand down any rough edges to make the bench smooth and safe. Finish with paint or stain to match your decor. Pro tip: use slow close hinges to avoid noisy slamming. These hinges add a touch of luxury and prevent wear and tear. It's all about those little details. A well-crafted bench not only looks great but also provides practical storage space. Imagine the convenience of having a stylish bench that doubles as storage. Perfect for keeping your living space tidy and organized. Let's talk about maximizing vertical space with hidden wall shelves. Mount floating shelf brackets to the wall, then cut and slide plywood shelves onto the brackets. Attach decorative panels or mirrors to the front of the shelves using hinges for a hidden effect. Pro tip: install magnetic latches to keep panels securely closed. Let's build a slim shoe cabinet to keep shoes organized and out of the way. A slim shoe cabinet is perfect for small spaces, offering a stylish and functional solution. For this project, you'll need thin plywood or MDF, which are both lightweight and easy to work with. Hinges, screws, a drill, and other basic tools you probably already have in your toolbox. You'll also need paint or a laminate finish to give your cabinet a polished look. Start by designing your cabinet. Measure and cut the wood pieces according to your design. Precision is key here, so take your time. Then assemble the frame using wood glue and screws. Make sure everything is aligned properly to ensure stability. Create tilt-out compartments by attaching smaller pieces of plywood with hinges. These compartments make it easy to access your shoes. Sand down any rough edges to ensure a smooth finish. This step is crucial for a professional look. Apply your chosen finish, whether it's paint or laminate. This not only adds to the aesthetic but also protects the wood. Pro tip: add labels or dividers to keep shoes organized. This makes it easier to find the pair you need quickly. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to find the perfect pair. A well-organized shoe cabinet not only saves space but also adds a touch of elegance to your home. Let's create a multi-purpose key organizer that's both practical and charming. You'll need a wooden box or crate, hooks, small shelves or compartments, screws and paint. Prep your box by sanding and painting it. Install hooks inside the box, then add small shelves or compartments for additional storage. Add a backing to the box using thin plywood or scrapbook paper. Pro tip: use chalkboard paint on the outer frame for notes and reminders. Let's add underbench drawers to maximize storage space. You'll need drawer slides, plywood, screws, handles or knobs, and paint or finish. Measure the space under the bench, cut the plywood, and assemble the drawer boxes. Install drawer slides inside the bench frame, then slide the drawer boxes onto the slides. Attach handles or knobs to the front of each drawer. Paint or finish the drawers to match the bench. Pro tip: label each drawer for easy organization. Let's add hidden storage for coats, bags, or hats with hooks behind panels. You'll need a wooden panel, hooks, hinges, and screws. Prep the panel by sanding and painting it. Install hooks on the back of the panel, then attach the panel to the wall with hinges. The panel will swing open to reveal hidden hooks. Pro tip: choose a panel with a design that complements your entryway. Lighting plays an important role in creating a welcoming and functional entryway. Install LED strip lights under shelves or inside cabinets for task lighting and ambiance. Consider motion sensor lights for added convenience. Choose wall sconces or pendant lights that complement your entryway's aesthetic. Pro tip: use warm-toned lighting to create a welcoming atmosphere. Avoid harsh fluorescent lighting. The right lighting can brighten up a dark corner and set the mood for your entire home. Now comes the fun part, adding personal touches to make your entryway feel like home. This is where you can let your creativity shine and truly make the space your own. Think about what makes you feel welcome and comfortable when you walk through the door. Add a rug or mat to define the entryway and add warmth. Choose a design that complements your overall decor theme. A good rug not only enhances the aesthetic, but also provides a cozy spot to wipe your feet. A mirror serves a practical purpose and helps reflect light, making the space feel larger and brighter. Opt for a stylish frame that adds character to your entryway. Bring in small plants that thrive in low-light conditions. Plants not only add a touch of nature but also improve air quality. Consider using decorative pots to enhance the visual appeal. Add decorative accents like a bowl for keys or a vase of flowers. These small touches can make a big difference in creating a welcoming atmosphere. Fresh flowers can add a pop of color and a pleasant fragrance. Pro tip: less is more when decorating a functional entryway. Keep it simple and avoid overcrowding the space. A minimalist approach ensures that the area remains practical and easy to navigate. Avoid over-decorating to keep the space from feeling cluttered. A tidy entryway sets the tone for the rest of your home, making it feel organized and inviting. Remember, the goal is to create a space that is both beautiful and functional. And there you have it, folks. You've transformed your entryway into a stylish and functional space. I hope this project has inspired you to tackle those often overlooked areas in your home. Combine smart storage solutions with your personal style to create a space that reflects who you are. Show off your amazing entryway makeovers by tagging me on social media. Until next time, happy crafting.